All right, so this is stage one of our track. First time anything's been on it. This will end up having a separation with a little whoop. What are you doing? You trying to get into the arena? But it's a little tabletop, single corner, bigger jump, smaller jump there. It'll go around, over. We haven't decided on this side. What the heck is with my batteries? I knew I should charge them today. So a little delay of game.
Are they both 50?
Yeah, those are the ones that are questionable. I have in a different bucket. So that's kind of the idea. This will be the action area. Step one, placement. Then we'll get the jumps right. So did you notice I made this jump bigger too? Yeah, is it too high? Yeah, it's adjustable. We haven't run it all on it yet. That one you landed? It does. It just got. That one, I think we got to angle this way a little more. It launches a lot better off that jump. So I had some battery issues. Forgot I went ripping the other day, so I quick charged this guy, which isn't enough, looks like. But I wanted to get around the track at least once with it. I think my controller batteries are going too. We'll see. This is well, we gotta do something about that. But you can see changing this a little. I'm gonna make the whole top corner the tabletop. That probably work better. Man, that jump goes. I think Damon's right. I think it is a little high. But yeah, I don't know. I think this is gonna be a week long. Play a little, do a little, play a little, do a little. Just one good run is all I'm looking for. If I don't, steering's all goofy on this. I think it's my lights flashing on my Dumbo, so good chance my batteries on that are going out. Man, I'm betting 1,000 today. Oh well, I can cut it up. Yeah, battery in the controller's dead. Well, it was worth a shot, but you can get an idea. This is going to be all Lexan tabletop. I'm going to get a roll of the grass to do this whole section here, and this little squirt around here. That's going to be all the green grass. I might move that jump so it goes this way and we go around. I don't know. We'll see how this corner launches, because I think it's going to be a little funny. I'm just kind of farmer cobble in it because I don't know if it's going to be here for permanent. Anyways, this is a little update. So, I don't know, one step closer. The big thing I'm waiting on is the grass. And then I'll figure out that corner. But step forward, step forward. Forward progress, and now it goes. Forward progress. Come on, connect. One last quick. Man, she flies. She's in the air and you gas her. I think this is going to be fun on skate park. I haven't even taken this to the skate park with. That's another thing I was thinking about doing. I've been looking and finding all these little skate parks in these small towns. I think it's going to be a thing where I go from one to one to one to one and tour all the local skate parks. So, anyways, I think that's all we're doing today. Like and subscribe and all that. I appreciate all the views and keep her ripping.